we call this 3 right now?
Coefficient.
Ooh, very nice. It's the coefficient. Okay? Number 3. I have 1 over 2b to the negative 5. One over 2 times b to the negative 5. Raise your hand if you think you have it. What do you think, Carson? Okay. Okay, so it's gonna change positions. I'll give you the notes here. Okay, so let me ask this question. Is the 1 affected by a negative exponent? No. Is a 2 affected by a negative exponent? No. So those are going to be left alone. Is the b affected by a negative exponent?
Yes.
So that needs to switch to a different level. Right now it's on the bottom. Now it's going to, once you change it, it's going to go to the top.
So,
And then the 5 will become positive.
so everything that doesn't get affected stays where it is.
Yes, if it is not affected, it stays right where it's at. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite it. I have 1 b to the 5th power over 2. Do I need to put the 1?
No.
No. So if I were to simplify that one more time, I have b to the 5th power over 2. That would be your final answer simplified. Remember, simplifying means that it's fewer keystrokes if you were to typing. If you were typing.
Exponent was a positive thing. Would you still have to do the fraction one?
So the question is, if the exponent is a positive originally, will you have to put it in fraction form? Let me give you an example and see if this is what you're talking about. I have c power of negative 2, d to the power of 3. Which one is affected by the negative exponent? C. So that means d is going to stay put. Okay? So think of it right now, if I have a whole number, if I make it as a fraction, if I give you the number 3 and tell you to make a fraction, what are you going to write?
3 over 1.
3 over 1. Well, this is like having a term over 1. Okay, so d is still going to stay up top. And now c to the power of 2 goes to the bottom. Did that kind of go along with what you were asking?
Now, what if the thing was below, just d to the power of 3?
If it was on the bottom,
No, it was below, only d to the power of 3.
then that's it. That's all you can do to it.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, it's not that it doesn't have a solution. You just haven't been told what that is, what D or C is. And so you're going to leave it alone. Number 5. Okay? Negative 5. X to the power of negative 3. This one's going to come with a disclaimer, and let me write it before we start trying to work it out. Here's your disclaimer. You have a negative coefficient. The negative 5 is the coefficient. Coefficient. I squeeze it in there. And it is okay for and it's okay for the coefficient to be negative. Okay? So what will your final, once you simplify it, The 5's going to stay negative, leave it alone. It's not being affected by a negative exponent. What do you think that you're going to have? What do you think, Mary? Abby? What do you think you'll have after you simplify it? Carson?
Negative 5 over 3 to the power, x to the power.
Okay. Number 6. F4 is the coefficient. X to the power of negative 6. Y to the power of 2. What is being affected?
X.
Okay, so right now it's up top. Even though I don't have it as a fraction right now, that's still the numerator. So it now will become part of the denominator. Okay. Number 7. I have r to the power of negative 5 s to the power of negative 7. Who else has the answer? What do you think, Chris?
They would just switch.
Totally switch, and they carry their exponent with them, turning them to positives. S to the power of 7 over r to the power of 5. Number 8. Number 8 is going to come with a disclaimer. I'll write it out in just a second. Here's the problem. You have 6 s to the power of 2, 9 over 9 t to the power of negative 12. Okay, here's your disclaimer. On this one, you have a fraction 6 over 9. You want to simplify. So if I have 6 9s, it's going to become 2/3. What else is affected by a negative exponent? T. So that's going to move up top. So I have 2 s to the power of 2 t to the power of 12 over 3. S to the power of 2, t to the power of 12. So where did the 2 come from? Where did the 2 come from? Stanley?
Dividing the coefficients by 3.
Yeah, you're taking the 6 9ths, dividing